we're going to review the application guidelines for flashing a pipe utilizing our JM White EPDM pipe boot. The first step that we have to take is to terminate the penetration. If our fasteners have to be extended out further, it may be necessary to install a separate target piece. The next step that we're going to take after our sheet has been terminated is to clean the membrane. After our field sheet has been cleaned, the next step that we're going to do is we're going to cut the top of the pipe boot so that it fits tightly over the penetration that we're going to flash. After we've cut the top of the pipe boot to match the penetration, the next thing that we want to do is make a score just through one part of the release paper. After that has been done, the next step that we'll do is we will actually slide the pipe boot over the penetration and bring it down to the roof and position it properly. After our pipe boot is put into place, the next step that we'll take is we'll actually lift the pipe boot up and we'll install sealant on the pipe Now we will bring the pipe boot back down and get it into place. We now have sealant between the pipe and the pipe boot, which will be clamped later on. The next thing that we'll do is we are going to apply primer to the membrane, which will consist of either JM TPO membrane primer or JM single ply membrane primer low VOC. We want to ensure that our primer extends beyond the pipe boot flashing. After our primer is flashed, we'll now bring the boot back down into place, and right where we made the cut in our release paper, we'll pull that and set our boot to the membrane. We'll immediately roll the pipe boot with the roller. The final step we have to take is add a clamp and caulk. Please note that there is already sealant installed below the pipe boot as well. The next step that we'll take is we'll trim off some of the excess band clamping. We'll complete the detail by adding JM single ply LVOC caulk to the top of the pipe boot.